In this network that you're looking at, the root bridge is down here in this lower corner. And you can see that some of these ports are blocked here, the orange and the red, because of STP. Well, what I want to do is change the priority of this switch up here in the middle so that it becomes the root bridge, and we'll see if STP renegotiates. In order to change the priority, I have 3 commands at my disposal here. These are all in global config mode. So the first one is spanning tree, and then the VLAN that I'm interested in, VLAN 1, 12288. Now I'm making up this 12288. It can be any number from 0 to 61440 in increments of 4096. I can also use this command, spanning tree VLAN 1 root primary. What that does is change the priority to 24576. I can also say spanning tree VLAN 1 root secondary, and that changes it to 38673. Now the reasoning for this primary and secondary thing is if something goes down, I want this bridge, the secondary, to become the root bridge. All right, let's take a look then again at our network. And I'm going to call up this switch, this root bridge down here, and let's do a show spanning tree. And it turns out that I didn't type it right. There we go. And I can see that this is the root bridge. If I go up to this switch and I do a do show spanning tree, it tells me that FA02 is pointing to the root, and so FA02 goes down to this root bridge. So this is indeed the root bridge. But let's change the priority on this switch up here in the middle to make it become the root bridge. So our command is spanning tree, and then I have to tell it which VLAN we're working in, VLAN 1, priority, and I'll just make it priority 0. But before I do this, I want you to watch these link lights up here, this FA06 orange link light and the FA02 across from it on this switch. These are the two that are going to change when I do this. So I'm going to say priority 0. I'll hit enter, and you don't see anything change right away because it takes time for it to converge. But if I were to click the fast forward button, my controls are in the way here, so I have to move this out of the way. There we go. I'm going to click the fast forward button, and now you saw this orange one disappeared and this one turned to orange. We renegotiated, and this is now the root. So let's take a look at that again. This bridge is the root.